Nowadays, people have busy and hectic schedule, due to which they don't find time for meditation. And also, people have problem of overthinking, insomnia and anxiety. So what is the solution? The answer is simple. One meditation technique could help you in curing all these problems. That is Yog Nidra. In Yog Nidra, one reaches to a deep state of meditation even while asleep. How to do that? It's a simple process. When you are about to fall asleep, follow this simple technique. For a few minutes, sit in a relaxed posture. It could be better if you sit in Padmasana. Close your eyes and take 2-3 deep and long breaths. Then, for a few minutes, while closing your eyes, put your thumb in your ears and your hands over your eyes and make humming sound naming Brahmnaad. Repeat it for 5-6 times. As you are going to do the Brahmnaad, you will feel your energy is getting elevated towards your head. Feel the vibration of the sound. Your body is getting relaxed. After doing this Brahmnaad, sit silently for a few minutes. Feel yourself. Feel your surrounding with closed eyes. Take deep, long breath. Your mind, your body is relaxed now. You can feel the calmness inside. Stay still for a few minutes. Now, in the last round, lie down on your bed. Take a relaxed posture. Close your eyes and feel your body from within. Feel your presence from inside. Listen to the music. Feel the vibration of the music on your head, on your crown center. It will help you to soothe and relax. Slowly and gradually, your body is getting relaxed. Your feet is getting relaxed. Your legs are getting relaxed. Your complete lower body is getting relaxed now. You're falling into a deep state of meditation. Now your upper body is getting relaxed. Your stomach, your chest are getting relaxed now. Your body till your head is getting relaxed now. Your hand, your mind, from toe to head, you are completely relaxed. Keep listening to the sound of music and let go everything. Even if a thought is coming, let it go. It's just like a cloud in the clear sky. The cloud will remain for a few moments and it will vanish by itself. Don't bother about your thoughts. Just feel your presence. Slowly, with the sound of music, you're falling asleep. Enter into Yog Nidra. Get drowned in the shower of the healing meditation. Thank you.